With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
A flashlight has 8 batteries, out of which 3 are dead. If 2 batteries are selected without replacement and tested, the probability that both are dead is, options are 3 by 28, 1 by 14, 9 by 64, and 33 by 56. So there are 8 batteries, out of which 3 are dead. So 3 are dead batteries, and there are total 8 batteries. Now we have to find probability of that both batteries are dead. Both batteries are dead, which will be equal to number of ways of selecting 2 dead batteries out of 3 dead batteries divided by total number of ways of selecting 2 batteries out of 8 batteries. Okay, now number of ways of selecting 2 dead batteries out of 3 dead batteries will be 3C2 divided by total number of ways of selecting 2 batteries out of 8 batteries will be 8C2. So required probability P will be equal to 3C2 divided by 8C2. Now we will solve this. Now we know that NCR is given as n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So 3C2 will be equal to 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 3 minus 2, which is 1 factorial, whole divided by 8C2 will be equal to 8 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 8 minus 2, which is 6 factorial. Now this will be equal to 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 1. Value of 1 factorial is 1. Now whole divided by 8 into 7 into 6 factorial divided by 2 into 1 into 6 factorial. Now 2 factorial will cancel out and 6 factorial will cancel out. 2 will cancel out 8 by 4. So this will be equal to 3 divided by 4 into 7, which is equal to 3 by 28. So required probability is 3 by 28, which is option A. So option A is the correct option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.